You think you can outwit me? You think I'm just like all the others?
Alfred, the Arkham Knight's missile launcher is destroyed. I'm calling in the Batwing to start searching for the Cloudburst. Upload the results to the clock tower once it's complete.
Okay, now we're done playing soldiers. Let's have some real fun. We'll take...
I'm heading to the clock tower, Alfred. Upload the data from the Batwing as soon as the analysis is complete.
Very well, sir.
So see delightful scavenger hunt, then I'll do some hit and runs in the Batmobile. I promise, I'll hand control of your body right back when my turn's done.
This is state-of-the-art tech, gentlemen. He won't know what's hit him. The Knight's given us our orders. We execute them without question. I wonder what Scarecrow's got planned with that machine of his.
Identity confirmed.
Alfred, pull up the footage from the Batwing's onboard scanner.
Certainly, sir. As you can see, the Batwing has completed an orbital sweep of Founders Island, but there's still no sign of the Cloudburst. I will, of course, let you know when the situation changes, but one moment, sir. I'm receiving an emergency broadcast from the movie studios.
Batman, I hope you can hear this. The movie studios are under attack. Robin is in trouble.
Listen to me very carefully. You need to lock down that room. We can't let the infected get out.
Of course. Tell me what.
Henry!
That's enough from you! Well, look who's too late to save the day. How's it going, Batbrain? It's been a while.
Harley Quinn.
So you do remember me. That's weird, because you killed the only thing I ever loved. And now I find you've been keeping a whole new generation of Jokers to yourself. I know. Awkward.
Don't do it. They're not stable.
Oh, they're not stable? Maybe you want to take a look in the mirror sometime.
Alfred, I need to get to the movie studios.
Please be quick, sir. Miss Quinn is clearly volatile. Robin may be in serious danger.
Oh, I told you we should have butchered that bunch of second-rate tribute acts. They'd better not kill Robin, Bats. I had the idea first.
You know, I never thought I'd say this, but I'm getting kind of tired of all this rioting. You think she's interested? Who, Harley? You kidding me? What? Come on, you want me to spell it out for you? It's just with Joker gone, I thought maybe she'd...
She's got a... I'll make your face real pretty, Batman. I'm gonna dice you up, Batman.
Open.
Voice print failure. Access denied.
Nice try, Bat Freak.
Harley's changed the voice code access. I can adapt the modulator I picked up from the Arkham Knight's driver to synthesize her voice.
Well, look who's too late to save the day. How's it going, Bat Brain? It's been a while. Well, look who's too late to save the day. How's it going, Bat Brain? It's been a while. Well, look who's too late. Voice calibration complete.
Now I can use the voice synthesizer to mimic Harley's voice and open the door.
Open!
Something must have happened. Maybe the radio's busted.
If I find out they're slacking off, I'm gonna have Big Al tear their beauty lids off one by one!
This ain't good. What the hell?
Someone took them all out.
Ugh, it was that stinking bat-faced loser! Get that chopper down here now! I want more men on the roof and sentry guns covering the entrance! Don't even think about coming back down here until he's dead! You hear me?
I need to secure the rooftop. I can use the voice synthesizer to manipulate Harley's men.
Oh, poor Harley. Wasting time on those not pale enough imitations when I'm right here in you.
I'm near the security office.
How the hell she found your top secret bat-face, Batface? She couldn't find her own reflection in a mirror when I was alive. It's like something was holding her back.
We were at the Monarch, Bat. Yeah, we saw what you did to Joker.
What are you dumbasses waiting for? Shoot him in the heart! No, scratch that. You don't have a heart. If he did, my punch would still be around. Shoot him in his stupid, ugly face!
He ain't getting up. Keep moving. Hey, what happened to you? He's gonna kill us, like he killed Joker.
By withholding medicine?
No, you freaking idiot. That's not what I meant.
Check near the security room.
He went this way!
I can use the voice synthesizer to clear out the thugs guarding the elevator.
Smoke don't scare me, bat freak!
Go look over there!
I hear ya.
So these boys stuck by Harley, eh? Good for them. Well, obviously not good for them, but it's nice to see loyalty.
Check near the security room.
The bat got another one. Oh man, this ain't happening. How's he doing this?
How many morons does it take to kill a bat? I'm guessing more than 2. Prove me wrong, dumbasses!
Someone must have seen where he went. There he is. He ain't getting away again.
That's the thugs dealt with. Time to go after Harley. Before activating an order, I need to pick a target.
Memories. You, me, and a ward full of psychotic killers. You've never felt so at home, have you? Oh, come on. You think you're different because you never killed anyone? Newsflash! You killed me. I was there, remember? You destroyed my cure right in front of me. Watch me choke on my last laugh. And then, after killing me, you said you would have shared. You couldn't admit I'd won, could you? Not even as a parting gift. But now I'm on the inside. Ooh, we both know the truth. Yes, you've killed before. And tonight, I'll make you do it again.
Here he comes, the big bad Batman. You shook your time.
You got overwhelmed.
I'm gonna mess you up!
Fight back, come on! Say goodnight.
I thought you'd be better!
Don't mind if I do.
We lost the big guy!
Hey, this guy's still awake.
Get off me! You think I'm scared of you, Robin?
The infected. Where are they?
They're not infected. They're Joker. Harley's got him, and they ain't leaving this place until you're a corpse.
How did she find us? How did she get in?
I'd let him know if I were you. He's not always in such a good mood.
How should I know? I guess she's smarter than you think.
Not likely.
Let's check the Bat computer.